Alright, welcome to Module 3. In this module, our expert will show you how to maximize your crowdfunding campaigns. So, get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Module 3. Maximize your campaign. So you've finally done it. You've chosen a platform and successfully launched your campaign. Job finished? Of course not. Things are just getting started. Running a successful crowdfunding campaign takes a lot of time and effort, but the results are absolutely worth it. Here are the key steps that you should take to run the ultimate crowdfunding campaign. Choose your campaign length. First things first. When you create a campaign, you have to choose how long it should be. Though you can actually change the duration later, it's best to choose the optimal length from the very beginning. Campaigns can be anywhere from 1 to 60 days, with 30 days being the recommended setting for your campaign. Setting your campaign length means that you're confident that you got enough time to raise awareness and reach your target goal. This is especially true if you're using an all-or-nothing platform like Kickstarter. Update your progress. As you move forward with your campaign, it's important to keep your backers involved. If you don't give regular updates, they may lose their interest in supporting you. Moreover, a campaign without any progress updates will not lead you to more donors. Fortunately, crowdfunding platforms have built-in tools that allow you to provide regular updates throughout the course of your campaign. Remember, people are more likely to support something if they can see evidence of it coming together. Promote through social media. Of course, if you want to reach out to the largest audience possible, you can reach out to friends, family, professional peers, and potential investors, all through social media. Promote your campaign through your website and Facebook page, and share it through every social media handle you have. Don't forget to attach photos or videos to your campaign so you can attract people's interest as they browse through their feeds. Provide rewards. This step is applicable if you've chosen the reward-based type of crowdfunding. Having a hierarchy of rewards motivates backers to donate larger amounts. How many reward levels you offer is up to you, but it can be great to offer more fancy incentives to encourage people to donate a larger contribution. Others have a series of small perks that they build up as a donor donates more money. So to attract backers to donate more, make sure to offer exciting rewards. Conclusion. When it comes to raising capital, crowdfunding has proved itself to be the #1 alternative for traditional loans. It allows you to reach the largest number of people possible while giving you a chance to explain your purpose and the goals you want to achieve through their funding. Choose the best crowdfunding type suited for your business needs and a platform that can help you make the most out of your fundraiser. Create a captivating campaign and promote it across different channels as possible. Encourage people to support your campaign by giving them constant updates of your progress. By applying the steps and suggestions discussed in this course, you'll end up with a well-funded campaign and a foundation for future success.